In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing the finances of a small business or just trying to keep track of your own spending, knowing how to efficiently input expenses is crucial. With QuickBooks Online, this process is simple and designed to save you time. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To start, you'll want to locate the New button. This is conveniently placed at the top left of your QuickBooks Online interface. Once you've found it, go ahead and give it a click. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options that you can select. For the purpose of today's video, focus your attention on selecting Expense from this list. Clicking Expense will open up a new window where you'll be able to start entering all the details related to your expenditure. Now, it's time to fill out the expense details. This step is vital as it ensures your financial records are accurate and organized. You'll need to input information such as the payee, which is the individual or company you've paid money to. You might also need to fill in the payment date, which is the exact day you made the expense. Additionally, it's important to choose the correct payment account. This could be your business checking account or a credit card account, depending on how the payment was made. Don't forget to enter the amount of the expense, along with a brief description if necessary, to remind yourself later on what this expense was for. You may also want to categorize the expense. QuickBooks offers various categories to choose from, like office supplies or travel, to help you organize your expenses effectively. Once you've filled out all these details and double-checked for any mistakes, it's time to wrap things up. To do this, look for the Save button. This is usually located at the bottom of the page. By clicking this button, you confirm that the expense details you've entered are correct and you're ready to record them into your financial data. And there you have it. Your expense is now added to QuickBooks Online, ensuring your records are up to date. And that's all there is to it. Adding an expense in QuickBooks Online is straightforward and quick. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial data remains organized and easily accessible. As you continue to use QuickBooks, you'll start to appreciate the efficiency and accuracy it brings to managing finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep watching our channel for more helpful QuickBooks Online tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe.